So I'm going to show you how to replace a wheel stud. First, jack it up. Safety's #1 priority. Have it on jack stands. Next, we're going to take the wheel off. Got the wheel off. Next, we take off the drum. Normally not that easy to take off, but I serviced this the other day. Next, you want to get a hammer and smack out the stud that you're going to be replacing. Mine broke off and I smacked it out already. So now I'm going to show you how to have the wheel off the ground on the other side so you can spin this. And on this 97 Chevy Blazer, I like to spin it. The one I'm replacing right here because it's easy to get access to push it through. Then we go and we get this. So we put this. They make a tool for this, but we're just going to use this because it's what we had access to. Then I'm going to take this slug stud. Hold on. Push it through, hold it. Okay. Now, we zap it. And check to see if that's through. Not quite. Keep going. Almost. Almost. Just a few more ugga-dugs. See? Flush. So now, wait for the air compressor's done. Little Harbor Freight air compressor helping us get this job done. Alright. Now we're gonna back this out. Alright, we going the right way? Reverse. Going the wrong way. There's our fresh slug nut. Time to put the wheel. The final process, the most important part, is to lower the jack stand. Remove your jack stand first, lower the jack, just so the tire kisses the ground. Don't lower it all the way. Then torque it to 100 foot-pounds. I can't speak. Torque it to 100 foot-pounds. This is the torque spec for the lug nuts on a 97 Chevy Blazer 4x4. And that's it.